Welcome to simplysportbikes.com. This 2003 Yamaha YZF-R6 has about 14,000 miles on it. As you can see from the video, it is very clean. It does not appear to have ever been crashed. It is free from major scratches or dings, aside from maybe a small wear and tear nicker here and there. It has a brand new rear tire, excellent condition, plenty of tread remaining. As you can see, it is mostly stock with the stock exhaust, rear fender, seats, no scratches on this side. Very nice bike, very well maintained. Coming around to the front here, you can see there's no scratches on the front nose. We have a brand new front tire as well. The bike has been fully inspected, has passed our rigorous inspection by our mechanics. Fresh oil has been installed into the motorcycle. It runs great. This one is ready for you to come pick up. Let's see what it sounds like.